Hi again. So one of the things that you have to do this week is to create your basic site and some of the structure within it. Now, if you've never done that before, I'm going to go through the steps. If you do know how to do it, then you don't need to watch this video. For those of you that are really great with Google Drive, this might seem unnecessary, but some people have never used Google Drive very much. So if you go to your Google email, if you don't have a Google account, you can make one for free, and I recommend that you do that. Once you go to your email, you will always see this little icon of yourself up here in the corner. Right now I'm looking at my Drive, but if I were looking at my email, it would still show the same thing. It also shows this cube of icons here, which are the Google apps. And so if you click on that, one of the options is Drive. And Drive is what I'm working in now. So if you aren't already in Drive, click that. So in my Drive, I have lots of different folders and things that I'm working on. You can make yourself a folder for this class, and I recommend that you do that. To make yourself a folder, you click on New, and then hit this first one that says Folder. I've already done that. I've called it Sustainability Online, and within that, I made a folder for this semester. You can see I have a couple of things in here, like here's our film sign up that you guys already did, and your information on your course project, the website I've already made, and the class calendar. But I want to show you how to make your own website. This is incredibly easy to do. So you'll click New. And this time you'll scroll down to this area that says More. When you mouse over More, this secondary drop-down window opens. And if you come down here, you'll see Sites. And so I'm just going to click on Google Sites. And it's creating a new web page for me. Now that Google site is going to live inside the folder that I made. So if I go back to my Drive, I now see I have a new untitled site there. So I'm going to change it to triple bottom line, whatever your topic is. I'm going to change it to sustainable topic, whatever your topic is. So a couple of things have just happened here. Now my website has a name. And if I go back to my window again, you'll see that it has changed to match that. The nice thing about Google Suite is that it saves automatically, so you don't have to remember to do that. So what this is showing you is what your website can look like. You can play around with the themes and pages, and you'll insert some different things. Right now, we're going to create some pages, and then next time we'll work on some of the tricks. So if you go back to the site I gave you, there was a home page, an environmental impact page, economic cost effectiveness page, and a social and political concerns. Now those page names might change a little bit based on what you are interested in. So if I come down here, there's a button that says new page. So I'm going to create a new page that says environmental impacts. I just hit enter, and it put it in the main area here. I would actually prefer that it's a sub page of my home page. I'm just going to click and drag it on top of my home. And now it's a sub page that's down underneath that one. I'm going to add a new page again, call this one economic, operations. And I might end up changing that name. And then social community impacts. We'll see what it ends up doing. So now if I look at if I click on home here, I have 3 pages to choose from. All right, so I have made a web page that has 3 subpages. The last thing I'm going to show you on this video is how to share that information with me. First of all, you're going to have to publish your page. You will have to publish your page every time after you're finished working on it. If you look in this drop-down next to publish, you have some information like publish settings. And if you like, you can copy this website and we'll use it in a minute. But for now, I'm going to cancel out of here. You can view your published site. So that's what it would look like to someone who just followed that link you just copied. And then what I really want to make sure that you do is you come to your share settings here. This little icon is how you share things. And if you click on it, it tells you how it's shared with other people. So if you come to these options, you have an option for draft, you have an option for publish, and you have an option for yourself. So I want you to check out the published settings. So I'm going to click change. And what I wanted to say is that anyone can find and view the published version and say save. And I'm going to say done. That's all we're going to do for this video.